we might be live. Let me check it. I don't know what is wrong. Yes, I think we are live, right? Okay, so now okay, so let's start. I think we are live. Harry brother, I think we are currently live. I think I can see it in my mobile. So I'll try to explain this current running position, why I took it and why my SL is moved to break even and all of those things. But let's get some audience here. I think I can see it in my mobile. Please can you check it? And already there are 2 concurrent live viewers. So let's welcome them and let's do some trading here today. Okay, as you can see this position, I'm waiting for some more viewers to tune in so that I can explain them why I took this position and why I am currently running on profit and why my SL is moved to break even and all of those things. So I'm just waiting for some of the viewers to tune in. I'll tell about the entries and other things after a few minutes. Let's wait for some more viewers so that a lot of people will get some educational information. What I'm going to do here is trying to understand the basics of gold, right? The gold runs on demand and supply. Not only gold, but all of those forex pairs runs on demand and supply. And let's go into the trading view chart and we'll try to analyze this, how this trade is taken and how I'm managing this trade. So as you can see in this chart, let's go into the 4-hour time frame and let's make this a little bit pleasing to the eye. So why I sold this pair in this zone? The primary reason is to sell from this resistance area. As you can see, the gold has tapped in this resistance area and it has given a significant reaction. So my first target is always in this demand area and my second target will be here. And how do I know that this demand will hold and this demand will hold? What do I need? I need the lower time frame confirmation, right? So why I sold from here? Why didn't I sold from here? Everything depends upon the lower time frame confirmation. That's how you should try to build the narrative and that's how you try to understand forex and gold. And I can see many people trading SMC and market structure and all of those things in gold, but what I think is gold respects none of those. And yeah, the gold can continue to rally from this demand zone as well. But what I'm expecting is I want the gold to go to this lower demand end and then rise, because we are currently on daily sell zone. So I'm trying to sell this to daily buy zone. This is our daily buy zone, right? This was initially a previous sell zone, but it failed to sell the price. So this converted into buy zone. and we are currently on the daily sell zone in the 4-hour resistance area. That is how you build from top to bottom, make a top down analysis or something, whatever you can call it. So I'm expecting gold to drop up to here and then again rally, but it can anything can happen, so we have to manage the risk. So in this sell zone, what I have looked is I have looked the lower time frame confirmation and sold this pair from here to here. Currently I have moved my entry to break even. Why? Because the gold has already entered into the 4-hour demand zone. You can see it. So if I get the confirmation here, what I will do is I will exit my sell position and I'll again take the buy position. So you can see the current profit trade running here. It's currently on $666 profit. I was nearly up 1300, but I have to stick to my trade and stick to my plan. So if you have any question, you can put that in the chat box. I'll try to explain it as much as possible. And from tomorrow onwards, we'll try to go live whenever there is setup, so you can turn on your notification and you can take the trades that we take, and you can make a profit for free, absolutely free. We don't do anything like that, scam or something like that. We take losses, we make some profit. I think I will not be speaking Nepali because we are targeting a larger audience. So I do not want any language barrier to anyone. So can you please adjust it? So let's continue our analysis. You can ask me in English. If you do not understand, then you can join our Telegram channel. You can ask me personally, and we'll try to explain you there as well. I think we have put our Telegram in our description. You can personally message me as well if you want to learn. But we are currently on the sell position, you can see. So we can you can chat. You can take some other pairs as well. I'll try to analyze those pairs for you. So I have taken another trade in EU as well. So you can currently see here. I have taken this trade on EU and I have taken trade on not USD CAD. So okay. So let's analyze this pair USD CAD. How we can make a bias and how we can build our model. So I'm recently seeing some questions about how we trade, bro, in detail. So something like that. So let's make a bias. You can see in higher time frame, daily market structure is currently bullish, clear bullish pattern. Okay, and what this indicates is we are currently in the daily buy zone. Why this is called a buy zone? Because this failed to sell the price. If it had enough power. So let's go to lower time frame in 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time, what does this indicate? This is our supply zone, right? Now the supply zone has failed. So what it indicates that the 4 hour time frame has been aligned with the daily time frame. So we have got the 4 hour time frame in bullish, in daily time frame in bullish. So our already we have got the strong confidence to enter in this trade. Now the third trade is we look for the confirmation in lower time frame. So it's that simple. We are going to sell from this. What I'm expecting is I'm expecting USD to sell from this zone, react into this, and give us a lower time frame confirmation and up. It's as simple as that. So I have sold this position as well. I have currently hold this position in personal account. I don't want to show this, but I'm currently in this position as well. I'm going to hold this position till bottom. I'll show the execution after I close the position. In USD what I'm getting is the supply is still holding. What I want is lower time frame to shift bullish and again enter into the buy side, because the higher time frame is bullish. Let's focus on gold right now. We are currently running on, let's see how much profit we are currently on. We are currently on $680. Let's hold this position. Let's hold this position. I think I'll mute this trade. Mute this live. I'm seeing some viewers tuning in as well. I'm currently running on 700 profit. So you can ask me some questions so that we can have a healthy conversation in between. If you want, if you do not want, then you can just okay. Let's analyze gold again. Let's wait for some more people. We are going to share this in our Telegram group as well. So I think some more viewers will tune in. So I want to explain this from beginning, from daily time frame. I want you to hear each and every word that I'm saying perfectly. Yes, what we do is we try to trade in the basic foundation of demand and supply, but the confirmation is given by our engulfing candles, right? Every engulfing candle or every price action candle is an story itself. So what we are trying to do is, gold has dropped significantly from the all-time high. So what the gold has risen up from here, right? The gold is up from here, from daily buy zone, and it has reached up to the daily sell zone. So the first objective is already completed, right? But the expectation is gold might break this zone as well. So why we are taking the sell position here? Let's look at this. In this daily sell zone, this is our 4 hour resistance area. This is what we call engulfing fail in our engulfing system, right? And what we look in the lower time frame confirmations. What we try to build in narrative is that gold moves from zone to zone, from 4 hour zone to 4 hour zone, from daily zone to daily zone, right? So I can show you profit, brother. You can show, you can look my trades and say I have got additional knowledge about this. I know I'm relatively weak in communications, but yeah, my expectation is going lower, but we are currently in the demand zone, so I have to monitor this trade. What I do not want is, I do not want an engulfing failure in this demand area. If there is any sorts of engulfing fail, then I'll exit the trade, and I'll open the position long. I was nearly up $1,300, but it's okay. I always try to book every trades in 1:3 risk to reward. What I didn't like about this trade is I have to put a larger SL. My previous SL was up to here. I always risk $100,000, 1%. So my SL was in the top, but it's okay. We have to hold this trade. Entry is based on the lower time frame, brother. Entry is based on the lower time frame. You can see there is, and lower time frame demand has failed here, right? This is a buy zone. For example, let me show you how clear is our entry. Let's say this is end uptrend, and let's say this is our high time frame sell zone. In higher time frame, what we want is, we want a lower time frame demand fail. For example, let's say price has reacted here. What does price want to do? Price makes another demand here, and if the price wants to go lower, then it will fail this demand area, and we'll try to re-enter in this retest EF. What we call is an EF, engulfing fail. This is our entry model. It's in copycat version. I'll show you in the price action. I'll show you 4-5 entries. Let's wait. Let's catch this gold at the top. This is our 4-hour sell zone, engulfing sell zone, right? And what we try to look here, is a 30-minute engulfing fail. That means 30-minute demand has to fail in order to go down, right? What is this? This is in buy zone, right? This has failed. So what do? We sell from here, not here. There is a small demand zone up here. So after this demand fail, we'll try to sell this from here, right? Stop loss above the supply zone, and we'll try to target 3R. But if you want to hold the trade, then we can look for the demand fail or EF. So this is our the trade hasn't been EF, so we'll try to hold this till here. But I know we cannot hold this trade long, because there is psychology, emotions, and lot of those things. So my strategy is, I try to exit in 3R, fixed risk to reward. If the price hasn't given me 3R, then I'll try to hold, just like what I'm doing right now. But if it has already price has already reached up to 3R, then I'll try to exit the position. So for example, let's see in the 4-hour demand area. Look at here. This is our 4-hour buy zone, right? This is our buy zone. Now let's see what it does in 30-minute. This is our EF, right? supply has been failed. So what we do, we try to enter here 1:3. We try to take like this and like this. This is our entry. It's as simple as that. I know many people won't believe it, but it is what it is. If you don't believe it, then I just don't care. But it works, and it works surprisingly well for me. I'm just trying to learn, brother. I know I'm weak in speaking. I think if I can provide some live trades, and if you can make profit out of it, then I don't think communication with me so much a barrier. And trust me, I'll give you some profit. If you don't trust me, then it's okay. You just ignore it. And mind it, this is my first live on YouTube. Let's see the same entry here. This is our engulfing sell zone, right? Because this green candle has been engulfed by 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our sell zone. So what we do here? We try to sell this position. This is our engulfing fail in 30 minutes. This is our sell zone. We try to put our stop loss above the sell zone, and we target 1:3. Or we can hold the position till the opposite engulfing has not been failed. For example, we can hold this till here. Or to get further deep into the trade, we can hold this up to this demand zone or buy zone, whatever you call. And let's say okay, in this demand area, price has just tapped, and let's say we get our entry or not. What does this indicate? This is our engulfing fail, right? We try to take the position from this zone, stop loss below, and we target 1:3. It's as simple as it gets. Let's run some background music here.
to spice up your listening? Smart Shuffle can weave in song recommendations for your playlist when you join Spotify Premium. Or start a jam, where you can invite your friends to create and add to shared playlists.
So gold has given a decent downward movement from this engulfing fail zone from 1 hour supply. So let's keep on holding this trade and let's let it run up to wherever it goes. Let's do it, brothers. I'm targeting in this area. Oh my god, this is the follow that I wanted.
All with unlimited skips and repeats.
Let's look how much I'm
Tap
up.
the banner to learn more.
I'm currently up 1600 in this trade. Nice. OP 1700. Come on, yes. This is what I was talking about right now. Nice. Currently up 1800 in this trade. Going pretty good. I know we are only 3 live viewers, but let's enjoy this trade. I just don't care. Currently up near 1900. Nice. 2000. Okay. What a move. I don't know what is wrong with gold. It comes moving in the middle of the night here in Asia. It didn't give us the info. This is pretty amazing. Oh my goodness. But not just happened. And if you give it a few more viewers, then I'll try to explain this why you can hold this till the TP, but it's okay. And if anyone is trying to tell me that this is demo or something, then I can show you my credentials. This isn't funded account. my TV, then we'll be signing off and we'll come again tomorrow. We are currently on it's a pretty good demand zone. I'll show you tomorrow in the live. It's pretty good demand. We will try to find from this area. And I know there are very few viewers, but it's okay. I'm doing just for fun. And I don't know what is happening to load. It runs, it moves anytime. No solutions required. Okay, I'm currently 2700 up. I think I might close this position and I'm going to sleep. Okay, let's do the bulk operation. I want to close this in exact 400 balance. Let's see how much it is. I need to give this zone, but what I'm feeling is I can feel that impatience, you know, seeing the profit, and I don't know, this happens to every trader, I think. I'm currently up near 2700. Okay, that's just the numbers. I say that, but I might not. So let's see. I want to close this trade on balance of 104,000. Come on, come on. There is nothing here to just push this trade upward. I think I need to be focused why it's doing this to me. Just keep on sitting, bro. Why are you going up? Come on. This is one of the most impatient moment you get when we try to take it easy. I think I'll close it manually. In exact 1,400 and 200. 104,000. I might close this position. What my strategy says is I had to hold it because there is no enough opportunity here. Okay, I'm out. Okay, I have closed all my positions. Thank you. What interest? Nice. You can see the execution, so you can keep following us. Okay, good night.